are just checking in at Disney's Old Key West Resort. We're staying here for 2 nights on this trip with Molly and David with Slither Away Adventures, so be sure to check them out. They are DVC members, so we are able to stay with them. They've invited us to stay with them for 2 nights and check out Old Key West. We are in room 2520. I'll be sure to show you what I can around the resort. We're not spending a ton of time here. Of course, it's Disney, so you're busy once you get here. We've got the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party tomorrow night, and so we'll be gone a lot, but I will try to show you a little bit around what Old Key West has to offer as far as the pool. I know we're going to go to the pool and stuff in the morning, so I'll share that. But let's take a walk in the room. They've got a 2-queen room with a little patio on it. I guess I'm not exactly sure the technical name of the official name of the room for DV. Yep, got a golf course behind us, and the little patio, we've already walked in the room. The little patio is super peaceful. With that said, be sure to actually follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, of course. And YouTube. We share a lot of stuff all over all platforms. We've got a big trip coming up, so lots of stuff coming that will be on there, so be sure and follow us. Let's go look at the room. Now, we've already unlocked the door, but don't forget you can use your little magic band to use as your room key. Now, David and Molly have already been by here and taken off to the park, but it's a super spacious room with 2 queen beds. Got a Disney guide here. Always love the little artwork that they have in the Disney rooms. They're always so cute. And there is about the Disney Vacation Club. We'll go out on the patio there in just a minute. I do have a ceiling fan in here. A dresser. Now, it looks like this could be an adjoining room if you would like. We do have some closet space there. Got a little kitchenette with refrigerator, coffee maker, little sink, toaster, microwave. And as far as the bathroom, it's pretty spacious too. And they do have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and basically your full tub with shower combo. Then let's take a peek out here on the patio. So of course it is a little small patio, but that's okay. Super peaceful out here. We'll walk out front and show you the front of the building where we're at, and then the rest of it will be some of the pool and up around the hospitality house. And here's a look around out on the front side at some of the other buildings they have. I like this, everything's so colorful. And one of the good parts about it is when you park, you can park right at your building, walk right to your building. I know that's one of the things that Molly and David always say that they love about this resort. Loving it already. It's beautiful out here. We are walking over here. Super convenient to the DVC boat ferry going to Disney Springs. We're going there for dinner tonight, but you have Olivia's over here. We came over here earlier and got our resort cups since we have the dining plan. And one of the pools are over here. But really short walk for us since we are in area 25. to come over here and take the boat to Disney Springs for dinner. We have come over here this morning to the area where they have the food. Right here is where you can catch the ferry to go over to Disney Springs. Our room is basically right about where that bus is right now. We walk to the building down there is our room. Here's the little boat stop for going to Disney Springs. We have Olivia's here, which is a table service restaurant. There's a place down there with a little grab and go. That's where you can refill your resort mugs, which, by the way, the resort mugs you get with your dining plan, or you can purchase them if you don't have the dining plan. There's little places to sit out here. Right in there is the lobby for the check-in. Over there is one of the pools. We'll go check it out. And right down there is where you go into Olivia's and the check-in. And the bus stop is down at the end of this little breezeway. If you're interested in it, also be sure to check out the resort activities that they have daily. They have some movies, movies under the stars, activities, include some poolside activities, tie-dye shirts, apparently, or well, tie-dye twist on this arts and crafts favorite. I don't know that it's shirts, but tie-dye looks like you do have to pay for that. Bus stops down here for the parks. And here we have the check-in, the general store over here, entrance to Olivia's. Hey, how you doing? Morning. So here is the lobby and check-in desk. I walked down here to the end of the breezeway, and right down here is some of the bus pickups to go to the parks. Bell services, and we'll walk back up this way and see what's on the other side. Here we are back out to where the boat dock is.
Not at all.
Yeah, yesterday afternoon when we drove in to check in, Goofy was standing out here, so apparently once in a while they'll have some characters here. He was standing out there waving at everybody on the boat, having a good old time. We'll go on around here and check out where the pool is. So the pool isn't quite open yet this morning, so I can't walk in there yet. But we can take a glimpse of it here. It's really pretty out here, and I know they have some pool activities as well during the day. Very nice. I think Molly and David did say there was other pools around. Maybe this is one of the main ones, because this is the one I always see pictures of. So, but it's right here, convenient to all the little food area. That's our little grab and go food right there, quick service meal. We're gonna fix to get a breakfast platter from there. Pool hours are 10 to 10. And they do have the Surrey bikes here to rent as well. We've rented these out at the boardwalk before, and they're fun to do. Of course, I got regular bicycles too. So I got some ping pong tables out here. The exercise room. The restrooms in there. Got a campfire area, shuffleboard, tennis courts. Got a little kids play area over there, a little playground with some slides and in the sand. really pretty out here this morning, so loving the resort so far.